is a famous food product used in every household on a daily basis. Apart from household, there are other places that use onions, like your hotels, your restaurants, your eateries. They use onions daily for cooking and other health benefits. So you can see how useful onions is. This food product is very useful because using it every day can tell us that it's something that is essential to an average person, either for cooking or for other purposes, like I said. Okay, so how can you start selling this product? How can you make money by selling this product? Is a very easy step. I've laid 3 ways that you can use to make money by selling this simple household commodity, onions, and you'll be making good profit. Okay, if you follow these 3 steps I'm going to be teaching you in today's video, okay, and you'll be making, if you are consistent, roughly from 50,000 monthly to 100,000 naira. Now that is a good profit, and that is something you want to know how to do. Okay, now let's get some background about onions. Onions is mostly common in the northern part of Nigeria. Okay, is mostly grown in the northern part of Nigeria, but you know there are other regions in Nigeria that also have onions. Okay, like you have Lagos State, you have Delta, you have Enugu, and some other states. There are so many. Okay, so it's not something that is just limited to only northern region alone in Nigeria. Okay, so how can you invest in this business? First, before you go into investing, there are some things I want you to know about onions. Okay, aside making money from onions, okay, you need to know how to store onions, because remember, onions is a perishable food item, it's a perishable food product. So you need to know when to store onions, how to store it. Okay, storage is very important in this business. I'm going to make a separate video where I will be teaching you how to store your onions, but today video I just want to talk about how you can start the business and make money by doing this simple business. Another thing you need to consider when you want to do this business is you need to know that onions is seasonal. Okay, it's seasonal, so there are some certain months you'll not be able to get it regularly as you are getting it initially. So that is why storage is important, and the method to store is also very important as well. So now let's dive into the video. Let's learn how we can make money from onions business. Okay, hello YouTubers, my name is Rose. I'm a food entrepreneur, and in this channel I teach food processing, food packaging, food branding, food business, and how to market your food product. So what are the steps we can use to make profit by doing this simple business, this onions business? One, you need to get a contact from farmers. Okay, farmers that are into selling, that are into production of these onions. Okay, that is, they plant these onions, so they are the best people you should connect with to get your onions, because buying from them directly is buying cheap, and that will make you to sell at a very affordable and good rate. And another thing is that you will not be out of stock when you want to supply. If you are buying from the farmers, you know this is what they do for a living. They plant onions to make living, so they are consistent in planting it. Okay, so you will not be out of stock. There's no way you'll be out of stock. So the first thing you need to do when starting this business is to look for those states that are planting onions. Okay, connect to the farmers directly and establish a contact with them. Make sure you establish a good contact, okay, and make sure that you also do research. You can try other farmers. Don't just rely on just one single farmer. All right, do research, see the way others are also going to supply you, then pick the one that is best for you. Okay, so once you have established a contact with a farmer, the next thing is for you to go and get buyer connect. And where can you get buyer connect? You go to your local market and everyone's, okay. Your local market is one of the best place for you to get buyer connect. It's easy, it's reliable, you can easily talk to the market people that are selling, those sellers that are already selling onions, and make a connection with them, give them a very good price, and you are sure to get a good buyer connect. Then also you can also go to Evans, that is, there are places around you that look like market where people go to buy onions. They buy it as in wholesale or in retail. Okay, you can go and make connect with those sellers there, that you are a supplier. And when you want to go into making a buyer connect, it's very good you go with some of the sample of the onions. Let them see you are real, let them know you don't want to scam them, you are not a scammer. You can also drop your address for them so that they will know that you are a reliable person, you are not fake. Then one thing you need to make when you get there, try and make a connect try and make an agreement with them that once you supply, they give you your money immediately. It's not so good to stock your money, okay, where you go and supply and it's going to take time for them to pay you. That is not good. If you are starting a food business, it's not a good idea. Make sure on supply you are being paid your money. The next thing you have to do, you are now making profit, okay, so you can split your profit. That's the last step. Split your profit into two. You can take 50% and reinvest it back to add it to your capital, then keep the other 50%. Okay, so that's how to do onions business. Lastly, repeat all this process and you discover that you have a regular source of income. You are now making money with ease, regularly, without stress. If you want to go further in the onions business, you can decide to diversify. That is, use the onion, make other products from these same onions, like your onions flakes and your onions powder, which are selling very well in the market, not only in Nigeria, other parts of the world. Okay, because there are some certain persons who will not want to go through the stress now of slicing onions before using, so they go for onions flakes or onions powder. I'm going to be dropping a video of how to do onions flakes and onions powder. So this brings us to the very end of today's video. I hope you get value from this video. So like a bag of onions, you can get a bag of onions. It depends on you. You can get it from the farmer in kilos, or you can get the bag of onions in just like the sack. So whatever way the farmer is selling for you, it's fine. The only thing you need to do is go for market research before you reach out to buyers. All right, make sure you go for market research so that your price will be affordable. It will not be too high, it will not be too low. Your profit can be coming. If you invest like 20,000 into the business and you are consistent, I'm very sure, and because it's something that others have been doing, I've also showed others how to do it, and I know what can come out from this business. Okay, so if you are consistent, like I said, you can be making from 50 to 100,000 naira, and you can start this business with as low as 20,000 naira because you are buying in bag or kg. that's kilo. So if you are going lesser, you are using a lesser money below 20,000, you won't really get much. You won't really get much profit, because you will not get much buyer connect. Okay, and this business only blossom when you have so many people you are supplying. Take for example, you make 3,000 naira per bag, and you buy 10 bag, okay, that you supply every week or twice in a month. That's, yeah, from that 10 bag you make 30,000 naira, and twice in a month is 60,000 naira. I hope you understand what I'm trying to relate. So that is why you need to start it at least with a capital that can really bring the profit in a bigger way a bit. Okay, so that's how to start your onions business. um I'm going to be dropping the video, like I said, for onions powder and onions flakes. So for you to get that video, once I drop it, you have to turn up your notification bell, okay, so that you'll be updated once I make any latest video on this channel. And also, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like this video, share it with your friend, drop me a comment. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. See you in my next video. Bye.